Are you having a hard time deciding what is the best way to mount your LED strips? You have so many different mounting options out there, but what is the easiest and the fastest way to do it? Every LED strip comes with a sticky tape on it. The easiest way is to peel off this protective tape and just stick that LED strip wherever you want. Now this is fast and simple solution, but it is a pretty bad one because you can see all those LEDs shining, and this kind of light, it's more distracting than helpful. The second solution is to use this standard aluminum flat channel with diffuser. You can mount it on a wall or underneath your cabinet. It depends on the light direction that you prefer. You can mount it using double-sided adhesive tape or mounting brackets that usually come with the channel, or you can simply screw it to the bottom of your cabinet. Either way, this is a very good solution that gives you a direct light projection on your working surface. You can also use these plastic cable channels, which are pretty easy to install because they already have this adhesive tape on it. You can also easily color these plastic channels to any color you like to match your kitchen color, and this way only the light projection will be visible. Now you can play around with this channel cover. You can put holes in it in any grid you like. I kind of like it the way it is without any channel cover because I have better light projection this way. And yes, please do a better spray job than I did. But you need to be careful with these plastic channels because some type of LEDs can heat up pretty well, and over time you can cause a nice fire in your kitchen. To avoid this, check your LED strips and use only ones that don't get heated up while working. Now we can also use these 45 degrees angle channels, and these are probably the best channels because they are specially designed for corner mounting. It can be mounted in the same way as a flat channel, but the only difference is the light projection angle on your working surface. As you can see, the flat channel gives straight projection to the working surface, while a 45-degree angle channel gives a slightly wider light projection. Again, it all depends on what do you prefer. If you want to have more light on your working surface, then go for this 45 degrees angle channel. If you want to get really creative, you can order yourself these silicone gel neon tube covers. These tube covers are excellent if you have some curved path that you want to follow. You can easily bend them up and down and left and right if necessary. But those are a little bit more advanced options. I have found out that this flat channel and this 45 degrees angle channel, these are the best options for LED mounting. It's easy to mount LED strip in it, it's easy to mount channel on the cabinet, and you can always replace it if necessary. Now, if you want to know how to easily cut and extend your LED strips, check out this video right here. I hope you guys have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.